Hello, friends. Let's have fun and learn the names of some yummy fruits. Can you guess the fruit? Hello, can you guess me? I'm an apple. Say it with me. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Hi, friends. Can you guess me? Great. Now, do you know me? I'm a banana. Let's spell it. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Yay, I am an orange. Can you spell me? O-R-N-G-E. Orange. These are grapes. Let's spell it together. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Wow, I am a strawberry. Let's spell it. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. Great job, friends! You learned so many fruits today. Which one is your favorite? Comment below. See you next time. Bye-bye.